Yeah, once again, good morning, everyone. In continuation of last laboratory session, today we are going to discuss about the sixth experiment. Still, very less students are joined today. Why 45 only? Why? I know the reason. Anyone please respond? Hello? Someone has to respond. Do you have any reason? Do you know any reason why these many students are absent today? Now slowly people are joining. Anyone knows reason? Now it reaches 50. Okay, shall we start the session? Hello.
Sir,
Yeah. Here, just I want to show the laboratory syllabus. I think most of the people are executed. Yeah. Is it visible? Screen is visible.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Now this is our laboratory syllabus. We have 9 experiments. Today, I think almost everyone is executed up to 5 students, right? Single linked list, double linked list, circular linked list, stack implementation using array and a pointer, queue implementation using array pointer. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now today we are going to discuss about the sixth experiment. Even this experiment already we discussed in the theory class. Again, I'm going to show the execution and logic also I will explain. Again, once again, some of the people already executed this experiment also because those people are already forwarded to my official mail, the execution things. If still anyone is not executed, then please try to execute and send the executed things to my official mail ID. Okay. And the same thing, you must update in your record already. I told you. So most of the people are doing. Still, any people is not done this, please do it. Here already I told you, February 1st onwards, uh, uh, off campus, nothing but our college physical classwork is going to start. Laboratory things are going to held. First to sixth, all sessions are lab only. I'm going to assign each session to one particular lab. That faculty will come, they will explain. I will set the schedule. Don't worry. Here, that 1 week we are considered as a internal examination. There's no need for internal examination. That 1 week attendance and writing of the records and observation and taking signature from your faculty will be considered as your internal evaluation. So this is what exactly it is going to happen for that week. And even you can practice and you can ask the doubts and classification, everything in the laboratory. Is it okay? Is this clear now, everyone?
Sir.
How
Yes,
sessions
sir.
will run, you can understood, right? Hello? Yeah. Now today we are going to discuss about the sixth experiment. Even we have one more week. In that week we are going to discuss about this seventh experiment also. So only we have two experiments are pending. One is binary tree traversal. Actually, this also we discussed earlier, and ninth graph traversal. These two experiments are pending, but even though you can practice these experiments because already the notes and everything is there with you, and even the explanation also is done. Even you can do it your home. Once you come to February 1st, then you can update, you can take the signatures, and you can ask the doubts. All these things will be maybe more easy, more convenient, and you can practice more number of times. That is what the intention. Now try to execute whatever the knowledge you have, all the things. What is this? Pre-traversal as well as graph traversal. You know very well. Already you have pre-traversal. You know pre-order, in-order, post-order traversal. You need to use for binary tree for the eighth experiment. Ninth experiment is graph traversal. What are the graph traversal are there? Tell me. What are the graph traversals?
BFS and BFS.
Hello. What are the graph traversals are there? Huh? Hello. Someone is told. What are the graph traversals are there? Hello. Unmute your mic and respond. Don't hesitate for things. What are the graph traversals are available?
BFS and BFS.
Is this my voice is audible? Yeah, DFS and BFS. Depth first search and breadth first search. So that you need to show with the program. Yeah, already you people are having that you practice it. Everything is there. We will discuss in the physical laboratory for these two experiments. Anyway, next week we will discuss about linear search and binary search. Now today we are going to discuss about bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort. Already we know this, but again we need to do. Uh, then experiment wise you can clear that. Okay, okay for this. No?
Okay,
Is
sir.
it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, before starting this sort mechanism, next week we will go for search. Don't worry. Linear search, binary search, seventh experiment. Sixth experiment we will finish today. Now, before starting this, can anyone tell what is sorting and why sorting is required? Anyone, please. What is sorting? Why sorting is required? Because already we discussed theoretically almost 2 to 3 hours we have discussed on this. That is why I'm asking. Quickly.
It is a process of arranging a list of elements
Arranging a list of elements,
in particular order,
particular order means,
ascending or descending order.
yeah, ascending or descending order. Then why? Why this? Why this arranging? What is the need? What is the requirement? Why should we arrange?
So when we are searching the as the order will be sorted, it is
Yes,
much more
yes,
convenient.
yes, yes. Good, Abhilash. Sir, when you want to search something in that list, if the list is sorted, that is very convenient, very easy, and very fast. So that the elements must be sorted. So the next experiment is searching linear search and binary search. In that, you can understand what is the importance of the sorting mechanism. Okay. So theoretically, it is not there in the syllabus, so that I have not discussed about this searching. We will discuss, don't worry, in the next week. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, Sorry for the inconvenience. Just power gone, so that I connected through my mobile data. Is it audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, as for the things, we are going to learn bubble sort. Can anyone tell what is a bubble sort? Hello. What is the logic of bubble sort? Logic behind bubble sort. Tell me quickly.
So here the data needs to be already in sorted order, either in descending or ascending order, wherein we
But
divide the list based on lower boundary to, I mean, we'll find a middle point for the given array.
bubble sort, I am
Then
asking. Hello, who is this? I know your
Abhilash,
name.
sir, I mean, 535,
Yes,
535.
I'm not asking mod sort. I'm asking bubble sort. So bubble
Yeah,
sort.
bubble sort. So we'll divide the list into two parts.
Here, that is you are
The
telling
lower,
that is mod sort, Abhilash. What you are telling that is a mod sort. I'm asking bubble sort.
Bubble start with first two elements, comparing with uh, and it checks which is greater.
Sorry, bubble sort. This is the elements. Tell me what should we do?
We just start with the first two elements, comparing them to check which is greater.
Okay. Means like this we need to compare. Okay. After comparison, tell me. Hello.
Swapping. The element is greater than the next element. We need to swap them, sir.
Okay. Means 8 will come, 16 will come here. Correct. If you want to arrange the elements in ascending order, you need to do this. If it is descending order, it is right. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah. Then after swapping, then tell me quickly.
Move to the next elements. Comparing with
Comparing with which element?
next one, sorry. 16 and 12.
Very good. 16, 1 and 12. Hmm. Then
Check which is greater and swap them.
again we need to swap because 16 is the greater. So this logic already we discussed very clearly with example in earlier classes. Even though I'm explaining again, right? Now, now we are here. Now again we need to compare, right? Yes or no?
Sir,
Yes. Then swapping is required or not?
required.
Yeah. Now tell me. 8, 12, 5, 16, 10, 9, 4. Then now we are at here. Then again compare. Now we need to swap or not? Hello?
we need to start, sir.
Yeah. 8 because 12, 16 is greater than of 10. 5, 10, 16, 9, 4. Now we are at here. Then we need to swap or not? We need to swap or not?
Sap,
We
sir.
need to swap.
Yeah. So that 8, 12, 5, 10,
9.
9, 16, 4. Tell me, someone. Now, again, we are at here. Now you need to compare. Again, we need to swap or not? We need to swap or not? Hello?
They need to swap.
Yes. 8, 12, 5, 10, 9, 4, 16. Now we are at here. Now we are fixing it last highest value. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Like this is the first pass. The first pass. Pass one. Like this, pass means iteration, first iteration. The second iteration again we need to select next highest value. Like that, same process we need to apply until all the elements are going to arrange in ascending order. Are you clear this? Are you clear this?
So,
Hello? Hello? What happened today? You
Yes,
people,
sir.
you are most active, but
Yes,
today,
sir.
today you people are not responding. Yeah. Sir, I am telling to everyone, any all sections, second year A sections are more active. But today what happened? You are feeling it is a weekend. Huh? Yeah. Clear this. Clear this logic. Bubble sort logic is clear.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah. Now for that code is already we know we are discussing about this bubble sort code also. Again I am discussing. You know this is a reading of the data and putting into your array. So you know very well how to use for loop use and you can add the data, what are the elements you want to read. So the latter, this is the logic for the bubble sort. So this is for displaying of the elements after sorting. So this is for reading the data. Very simple. This is reading the input data. This is apply same story will be applicable for all sorting mechanisms. So three categories. Your program is divided into three blocks. One block is for reading the input data. Another block is for processing. This is output. Here already I told you beginning of the data structures, even you know C programs also. How computer machine will work, same way you need to write. Computer machine always read the data from input devices and process the data and produce the result. This is a computer will do. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here in the same way, any programming language you can take, here it is going to read, first of all, read the data. Any program, it will be work like that. And process. That process you need to write the logic and you show the output. So this is what the writing of the program. Program is nothing but only to by heart actually. So exactly what you want to perform, you require a data. For that you need to write the code. Okay, I read data from the user. Okay, that is done as per the requirement. Second, you need to process logic, what you want to perform it. That logic you write. Then finally, anyway, you show the output. So that you need to write the output code. This is the order of the program. Nothing is there actually. But people are confusing. People are trying to buy hard. But only three things because computer always does that only: reading the data, processing the data, producing the output. Same way you need to write the program. Any program, not only C, C++, any program you take in the one, it will be for the same. Understand? Hello? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now for that, this is for reading the data in the array format. This code you know very well. You read the number of elements you wanted to use in that particular list. Then you have to provide the size of that particular array. The latter, based on the size, we are going to insert the elements. So this is for reading the data. Clear? Using for loop. I don't need to explain much for this reading. Yes or no? Clear this? Yeah. Now this is for our bubble sort logic. Here already I told you the bubble sort. Here first pass. Remember I value is 0. Now up to size. I is less than n, up to size. Now we need to perform. Here for that, here j equal to I plus 1. That means I value is 0 means first indexing. J is equal to I plus 1 means second indexing, like this. Here this is the first indexing. This is the second indexing. First of all, you need to compare these two. The latter like that. That is what exactly the code will behave. Now, if a of I is greater than a of j, just now we discussed about a of I is greater than a of j. So a of I is greater than a of j. So this is greater than this. Then we need to swap it. So that is why the condition we have written. If a of I is greater than a of j, then we need to swap using temporary variable. This is a swap logic. You know very well. Yes or no? When you take temporary variable, you can apply the swap logic. This is very common logic for swapping the element. Correct. Already you people are aware. When we call A of I equal to A of j equal to 10. Very simple, very basic fundamental swapping mechanism. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then go to the next iteration. Means j will be incremented by 1. The j will be incremented by means the j value will move to the next element. Like that, if it is not swapping, if it is not greater than I value, then it will be shift. Like that, it will be iterate all the things. Finally, we will do that particular sorting order. Yeah, finally, after sorting all the elements, now we are going to show the output using for loop only because it is the array. Understand the code, very simple code. Already, you people are aware these bubble sort. I think sorting techniques are there in your first year, but I don't know how you learn. But the learning is very easy. Understanding also very easy if you follow my notes and my lecture. Is it clear? This bubble sort code is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Shall we execute now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What happened here today? Yeah. Now you need to tell. Whenever I ask, you must tell the things. If you not understood also, you can tell. Then only I can. Again, I will do that. But if you are in silent means, I cannot understand. Yes. Now tell me. Enter the maximum number of elements to sort. Tell me how many elements you want to sort. This is bubble sort. Tell me now. How many elements you want to sort? Tell me the number. Means you are fixing the size of the array using this. Hello? How many elements you wanted to sort? Is it audible?
Yes, sir. So let's take 15.
Tell me the number of elements.
Sir, 10.
You want to sort 10 number of 10 elements. Okay, now tell me the 10 elements. What are the elements you are giving as input? One by one. Fast. Hello. Give me your input. Hello. Is it audible? Hello. Give me your input, yaar. Why you are hesitating to give, sir? Huh? Tell me the elements. What are the elements you want to sort?
45.
Hello. 45. 4 only it came. Next 45. Next. Hello.
12.
Someone has to unmute your mic and you tell. Next 12. Hmm. Tell me quickly.
39.
Hmm? 29. Okay.
28, sir.
28. Okay.
Sir, 15.
Even you do 15. Okay.
7.
6 elements are there. 7. Okay. 8 element. 2 more.
21, sir.
21. Next. 2 more elements are required.
15, sir.
15 already there. Why
Sir,
should
5.
we? 5. Okay.
Sir, 2.
Next. 2. Okay. Right. 10
43.
elements are over. Yeah. 10 is over. Okay. Now we need to check. Means input as given. Means what is the meaning? I will show the code. Now this is done. Here we are given size is I value is less than 10. Means 0 is less than 10. Yes, true. Like that, array is prepared. Now, next logic, when I will press enter, the next logic will be do this. Means sorting will be done. Here, here it is arranged in a sorted order, and I shown for loop. For this for loop, it is going to display. These are the values it is displayed. Sure. Sorted or not? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If you want to write some message here also, you can do that. So that is up to you. You want to do that. Not a problem. Want to do some message before this, you want to write sorted list using bubble sort like that also you can do it. But I have not written. You can add whatever the styles you want to add using some printf statement. Okay, done. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Bubble sort even. This is second
Yes, sir.
time I am explaining. Yeah. Now next one is the selection sort. Right. Time is running. Please try to explain. Sir, what is the selection sort logic? Tell me quickly. Hello? Are you there? What is the
Yes,
logic
sir.
of selection sort? What is the logic of selection sort? I'm
So
asking.
we'll select the first element of the list and compare it with all the elements on the list linearly.
Hmm.
So if we want it in descending order, if the next element is greater than the previous element, we'll swap it and we'll
Hmm.
increment the first element's value, its position, and then we'll compare it with the whole list again.
Yes, very good, nice. Who is this? May I know your name?
Abhilash.
Yeah, Abhilash. So we need to select first element always, means indexing of 0. Then we need to compare the following all the elements. First of all, we'll start from first element. Now 15 and 10. Here, which is the hello? Now I want to arrange the elements in the ascending. Okay, which is the grade 15 or 10?
15.
15. So that we need to swap. 10 will come here, 15 will move here. Here we need no need to change I indexing. We need to change only J indexing. Okay. So this is the difference between bubble and selection. Here in a bubble sort, we are moving and we are fixing the highest value first. In a selection sort, here the I is not moving, J only moving, but we are fixing here smallest value first. That is what the logic here. First iteration, we are fixing first minimum value, second minimum value, third minimum, like that. In a bubble sort, highest value, next highest, like that we have to do that. Okay, now compare 10 and 8. Swapping is required or not? Hello? Swapping is required or not?
Required.
Then
Required.
8 will comes here, 10 will move here. Then again, swapping is required,
No,
Not
sir.
required.
No, sir.
No, sir.
swapping is required. No. Then again we need to compare with 8 and 18. Swapping is required?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, skip that iteration. Swapping is required?
No, sir.
No, skip that iteration. Next compare with this last element. Swapping is required?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then you swap it. Your first pass is over, first iteration is over. Now in the second iteration, the list is looking like this. 7, 15, 10, 12, 18, 9, 8. Now in this 7 is already fixed. So this is the smallest. First iteration. First pass. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure. In the second pass, second iteration, now I value will be incremented by 1. Now from you need to select this I value, then you need to compare with all the elements. Whenever the swapping is required, you swap it. Otherwise, you continue to compare all the elements. After comparing all the elements like this in the second iteration, you will fix the second position element, second smallest element. So like that, you need to do all the process. Select the element and do the comparison of the remaining elements. So this is what exactly the selection sort. Clear this logic.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear this idea. Yeah. In the same way, the program also I will explain. Already I told you, just here this is for reading the data. Same logic here, nothing is there. Enter the size of the list. Copy paste also you can use if you understood. You can use copy and paste mechanism if you understood the program. Okay, you need to read the data for this from the end user. Okay, hello,
Okay, sir.
hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now this is a selection sort logic. Very simple. Already I told you. For I equal 0, first of all you need to select the first indexing. Then I is less than size. You know how many elements you want. Then for j equal to I plus 1. Now j is nothing but a next element. Okay. J is less than size. In that, if list of I is greater than list of j, again you need to use swap logic if it is true. Otherwise, you go to increment the j value and compare with high value. So like that, you are going to do the process continuously until the list is going to sort. Clear? Finally, we are going to
Yes, sir.
print the statement. Nothing is there. Very simple. So everywhere, this swapping mechanism is same. Copy. Everywhere, this reading the data is same. Everywhere, all the sorting, this displaying of output are same. Only the thing is, this logic is going to change. Remaining things are all same. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, very simple. Then I'm executing my selection sort logic program. Yeah, tell me, enter the size of the list. How much size you want to sort down?
5.
Only you want to, okay, sort only 5 elements. Okay, means we are avoiding the unnecessary things. Okay, right, 5. Now tell me the elements. What are the elements you want to sort? Input elements. What are the input elements?
13.
13,
5.
5,
9.
9,
3.
3.
10.
Yes, the given size of the file, then it is sorted your given data. Clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, this is what exactly the selection sort. The final one is in this experiment, sixth experiment, that is an insertion sort. Can anyone tell me what is the insertion sort logic? Anyone, please. Anyone tell me what is the insertion sort logic? Hello. I'm asking what is the logic of insertion sort?
The list will be divided into two parts as sorted list and unsorted list. And
Yes.
the list,
Good.
the element in the sorted list will be compared with the unsorted list elements. And then,
Okay.
according to the condition, whether ascending or descending order, the elements from unsorted list will be swapped to sorted list. I mean, moved
Yeah.
to
Good.
sorted.
Yeah. Yeah. Who is this? May I know your name?
Anusha, sir.
Hello. Anusha. Okay. Right. Good. Right answer. In this insertion sort, the thing is we need to divide the list always two parts. One is sorted list, another one is the unsorted list. So basically, initially the list is this is sorted, this is unsorted, but we don't have any element here, so that we are taking one element into the sorted. We can consider this is sorted, this is the unsorted. So now in this from unsorted list, we need to select first element and compare with all sorted list elements and find the appropriate location and insert it. That's why it's the insertion sort. So 15, you compare with 7. From last, you need to compare the sorted list. First element, we need to take it always from unsorted list. Okay, 15 I am taking and comparing with last element of sorted list. Now tell me, the 7 and 15. Actually, the position is after 50, 7 is inserted, 15 inserted after 7 or before 7, as per the comparison. Ascending order I am doing. Tell me now. 15 is inserted after 7 or before 7?
After
After
7.
7.
After 7. So that here after 7 I am inserting. This list is sorted and this list is unsorted. Correct? Yes or no?
Sir.
This is sorted list, this is unsorted. Even though you can identify 7, 15, sorted. So these are the unsorted. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah. Now again, same process. You need to select first element in the unsorted and compare the unsorted list from last element. Okay. Now I compared 8 with 15. Now tell me which is the greater, 15 or
15.
8? 15. So that we need to move to its previous element. Now 7 and 8. Now which is the greater? Which is the greater?
8.
Hello? Which is the greater? 8 is the greater. So that where should we insert this 8? Where should we insert this 8? Hello? Hello? I'm not getting your voice. Hello? 8 is inserted into which location?
Before
After
15.
Before.
7. After 7, we need to insert. Right. Now 12. Now you know after insertion, this is a sorted one, this is a unsorted one. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, you need to select first element of unsorted list and compare it with the sorted list from last element. Now 12 compare with 15. Less than or greater than? Less than or greater than?
Less than, sir.
Hmm. So that 12 is comparing with its previous element. Here. Compare with 18. Less than or greater than?
Greater
Less
than.
than or greater than. So that we need to insert 12 after which element? After which element?
After 8.
We need to
After 8.
insert this 12 after 8. Now, this is a sorted list, this is a unsorted list. Now again we need to select the first element of unsorted, and again you need to compare with last element from the last element of sorted list. Now 9 compare with 15. Now tell me, 9 is greater than or less than of 15? 9 is less than or greater than of 15?
Less than 15.
Less than. So that we need to compare with its previous element. Again, 9 is greater than or less than of 12? Less than or greater than of 12?
Less than, sir.
Less than. Again, it will be compared with 8. 9 is greater than or less than of 8?
Greater than.
So that we need to fix 9 after which element?
8.
Yeah, 9 will come here. 12, 15, now 18, now 14. Now this is sorted list, this is unsorted list. Again, you need to select first element of unsorted list. Compare with last element of sorted list. Now tell me, 18 is greater than or 15 or less than?
Greater.
Greater. So that we need to fix 18 after the 15. So that this is the list, this is a sorted, this is unsorted. In that again we need to select first element of the unsorted list and compare with the sorted list from the last element. Now 14 compare with 18, greater than or less than? 14 compare with 18,
Less.
14 is greater than or less than?
Less
Less
than.
than. So that we need to move its previous element. Now 14 compare with 15, less than or greater than?
Less than.
14 compare with 15, less than or less than? So that it moves to its previous element. Now 14 compare with 12. Now 14 compare with 12, less than or greater than?
Greater than.
Greater than. So that we need to insert 14 after the 12. Now this is the sorted list. Now all the elements from unsorted is moved to sorted list until we need to do this process continuously, recursively. So this is the insertion sort. Clear this?
Yes, sir.
All of you clear this? Yeah, already we know. Again, I explained. Now, shall I explain with code? Shall I explain the code?
Sir.
Shall we
Sir.
discuss the code? Yeah. Now you know the first part already I told you. You need to read the elements through the array from the user. You know, so this is the insertion sort logic. Very simple logic. Already we know. Already we discussed. For I equal to 1, I is less than size. Now temp equal to list of I. We need to read the temporary value. This I value is the temporary variable. Then j equal to I minus 1. Already we know why j equal to I minus 1. Okay. Okay. Right. While temp is less than list of j and j is greater than or equal to 0. So you know very well the logic. List of j plus 1 equal to list of j. J equal to j minus 1. Here, this must be done always. List of j plus 1 equal 10 means we need to do that. Here, this process will be continued until all the elements are moving from unsorted to sorted list. Finally, after sorting, we need to print the data of the sorted list. Is this clear? The code is clear, everyone. Already we discussed line by line this code also earlier in the class. Is this code is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because already we discussed line by line execution, we know. Anything is there, you ask me. Don't worry, don't hesitate. I will explain if it is required. Really. Yeah, tell me. Enter the size of the list. Sure. What is the size of the list? What are the elements you wanted to trap? Tell me. Hello. Hello. Tell me the
Yes, sir.
elements. What is the size? How many elements you wanted to sort?
6, sir.
6. Okay. Now tell me the elements. What are the elements? 6 elements
Six,
you need to give as input.
16,
16,
12,
12,
8,
8,
24,
24,
28.
28. Tell me. Only 1,
36.
2, 3, 36. Yeah, this is the sorted elements. Ascending order. Here, this is what exactly the insertion sort. Clear this? All of you clear these 3 programs?
Yes,
All of
sir.
you clear these 3 programs? Okay. So you please try to execute these 3 programs. If you are having any problem or any trouble, you can ask. Even we have the laboratory classroom from February 1st onwards. Even that time also you can clarify your doubts. Or meanwhile, you have one more week time for attending the classwork physically. In between also you can do that. If really you are executed the programs, then you need to write observation and as well as a record also. And that same thing you can send it to my official mail ID. Okay, so really execute all these things. If it is executed all, then you are going to have any doubts and clarification, we will clarify all the things. Please, I'm expecting everyone is going to attend a physical class from February 1st onwards. It is more help for your semester. Please try to understand the situation. Okay, is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Hello. Yeah.